This
parallelly.
conference will now be recorded.
Voice is coming. Okay. Now, what I want here? I want to store this all at a time. I want to store this all at a time. I want to store this all at a time. Even though I want 4 variables. I want 4 variables, but I want to finish all the single line. I want to finish all single line. I want to finish all single line. How now? Guys, observe here. Now, what I'm trying here? See, like name, comma, shall, comma, location, comma, then email equal to. Then what's the value? What's the value? First one, right? Narayana, right? Narayana. Then 10,000. Second shall, right? Shall is there 10,000. Then location HUID and email, right? Email. I can take. Suppose I can take same email, guys. You can take the same or different email, no issues. At gmail.com. Right. Now, if run this one, is it possible or not possible? If run this one, does it execute or not execute, sir? If run this one, guys, it will execute. It will execute, guys. It will execute. Right. So here also what is happening here? See, for name, one value is going, right? For shall, one value is going, right? For location, one value is going, right? For email, one value is going. So this which one assigning, right? At a time assigning multiple values, guys, multiple values to multiple variables. But here at a time, one value, right? See, one value to one variable at a time. Again, one value to one variable at a time. But in this case, assigning multiple values to multiple variables at a time. So the same one, guys, the same one. I try in the our Python, guys. The same copied here, and I'm trying in Python. Let us check once whether it executes or not. Let's see now. Let us see here whether it executes or not. Right. Right. Yes, guys. See, there's no error. It executed successfully. Now let's see. Print of name. What's the name value? Print of name. Print of name. Yes. Came. See what happened here. It has taken automatically only first value to first variable. It has taken automatically, guys. A type of this name. Which one? Type of this value. What's the value? Right? String. So commonly, guys, here type of name, right? Type of name. String type one. That's the first variable. ID is common. ID is again unique value. Okay. Next one, let's see here. Print of shall, guys. Print of shall. 10,000. And type of shall, right? Type of shall. You can see into type shall, right? Into type. Four. Or third variable location, right? I can take print of LOC. Print of LOC. But in Python, guys, in Python, to get the value of variable, in this ideally, just you want to check the value of variable, then the print is optional, guys. You can take print or else you can take only LOC also possible. Click enter, that's all. Right, all of clear, right? Okay. You can take either print of LOC or only LOC also possible to get the value. See LOC. What is there? HUID is coming, guys. What is the LOC value? What's the LOC value? HUID. It's coming with quotes also. It's coming with the quotes, right? The last one, what last one, right? Print of email. What's the email? What's email, guys? See that email coming. Email coming, guys. This is the way which one assigning multiple values to multiple variables, guys. Assigning, right? Assigning which one? Multiple values, right? Values to multiple variables, guys, right? Multiple variables. Sending multiple values to multiple variables. So now we have seen the first way, and have seen the which one last way, right? Last way, guys. Okay. Now next one, one value to multiple variables. One value to multiple variables. See, let's see now. Let's see how to assign one value to multiple variables. Which one? One value, right? One value to multiple, right? Multiple variables. Multiple variables. So how means? Suppose guys, see, right, every month, right, every month, like my salary, right, my salary, and my expenses, my salary, and my house rent, right, and my savings, for example, right, savings, for example, guys, savings, right, savings, all are same, guys, all are same. Suppose 20,000, guys, 20,000. Don't think that, sorry, friend, 20,000, how again saves 20,000? Okay, don't think like that. Just I'm given value, that's all. Okay, so I'm taking three variables, guys. I'm taking three variables. Right, for three variables, I am taking the single value. Assign the right, assign the single value. Assign the single value here. Single value. Right. I'm taking three variables. Right, and one value. So what is happening here? The single value, one value assigned to salary, assigned to the rent, and assigned to the savings, right? Savings. Okay, doesn't look good, right? Rent 20, savings 20 is not possible, right? Normal, right? Okay, let's assume, for example, two values or two variables only. There are also multiple variables, right? Two variables are there, more than one means multiple only, right? Now 20 assigned to which one? Salary. 20 assigned to which one? Right? Rent. Now let us see the same one. I'll run it. The same one. I'll go here. Right? I'll go here. Now observe guys here. Right. Now same. Print of salary, right? Print of salary. What salary value? 20,000 only. The same case of print of rent. Print of rent. What's rent value? Same guys here. Right? Same value assigning to the all variables. So see, what is the meaning of multiple? Multiple means two or more, right? Two or more. If you want one more example, normally A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to, I'll take 100 guys, right? Now see, what is A value? 100, B value 100, C value 100, D value 100, E value also 100. See, only one value assigning to multiple variables, guys, right? Multiple variables assigned to, right? Multiple variables. Okay, right. Now one more is left, guys. Now what is left? Assigning multiple values to, right, one variable, guys. Assigning, right, multiple values to one variable. Multiple values to one variable is left. Guys. Okay. Now that's what we see now. That's what we see. All of observe here at multiple values, right? To one variable, guys, right? One variable. It's the most important, guys. Also, it is very big topic actually. It's very big topic that we see now. See, assigning multiple values to one variable, guys, right? One variable. Like, see, suppose name, employee name, or employee. I take just employee one. That employee one I'm taking, suppose Sai, name Sai, then salary 10,000. 10,000, and he is from Bangalore. So yes, he is from, right? He is from something, right? Bangalore. Okay, and working in something at TCS, something else, working in TCS. And email ID something Python at some gmail.com, like this, guys, like this, So only one variable is there, but how many values are there, guys? Multiple values are there. Right? Multiple values are assigned to single variable, single variable. The same one, let me copy and run on ideally, guys. Okay. Now, all of you observe here, right? Okay. Now print of emp1, right? Print of emp1. What is emp1, sir? Displays all the values at a time. And also, guys, if you observe, we are getting the curly parenthesis also. Starting and ending, we got the parenthesis also. Even though I did not keep parenthesis in the input, right? But when I print it, it's getting which one? Parenthesis also, right? Now type of emp1, type of emp1, guys. Type of emp1. The type is not string, not integer, nothing. It's a different type. That is the tuple type, tuple or tuple type, guys. Tuple or tuple. So what is tuples are? That we see very clearly. It's very big topic, guys. Tuple, list, string, set, dictionary. These all are the data structures. Data structures. So about this one, about how to assign these all values, that we see very clearly. The tuple topic, guys. This topic takes around 1 hour, guys. Tuple 1.5 hour, 1 hour. List 1 hour, 2 hours topic like that. Very big topics are there. Okay, just here, what you understand now? Okay, you can assign multiple values to single variable also. Single variable also. This is what just to understand, guys. If you assign multiple values to single variables, with which one? With the parentheses, right? Then that is which one? Full type. Parallelly, in the same way, similarly, we have the list is there, we have the set is there. This is all we see in the data structures topic. Data structures. Okay. Right, this is which one? This is the assigning multiple values to right single variable. That is what guys you have seen. Now all of you observe all the types once. All of you just to check all the types once and make you available all that. Right. So what's first one? First one value to one variable like this. Next one value to multiple variables. See only one value to right multiple variables. The next one multiple values to right one variable and multiple values to multiple variables, guys. Multiple values to multiple variables. It's about the variables, guys. It's about the variables. These are the basics. These are used in every program, guys. The future topics, advanced topics, these variables, this indentation, keywords, identifiers, comments. These are building blocks of any program. Building blocks of all programs, guys. Just here, I am introducing all the basic topics. The real usage you see in the main topics. Okay, right. So next one, right? Next one, guys. Next one. What are the different ways to write the Python program? What are the different ways to write the Python program? Observe, guys. Different ways to write. Okay, to write the Python program, guys. Python program. Different ways to write the Python program, guys. Python program. All of you observe, right? What's the point here? What's the point here? Different ways to write Python program. To write a Python program, guys. Okay, Python program. Right. So 1 second, guys. 1 second. Right. So what's the point now? So different ways, right? Different ways to write which one? Python program, guys, right? Python program. Okay, Python program, guys. Python program. Right. Actually, guys, there are two ways are there. There are two ways are there. One is the interactive mode, guys. Interactive mode programming. Then the second one is, guys, script mode programming, guys. Script mode programming. Script mode R, right? Batch mode programming, guys. Interactive mode programming, right? Interactive mode programming and script mode programming, guys. All of right. The first one is interactive mode programming. Okay, interactive mode programming. The second one is the script mode programming, guys. Script mode programming. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of interactive modes are, and what is the meaning of script mode or batch modes are? So interactive mode means see, now what I'm doing every day, that's called interactive mode. What I'm doing every day, that's called interactive mode. Means open the ideally, right? Ideally, and writing the program is called interactive mode. So in interactive mode, we can't write the big programs. We can write them, but it takes more complexity. It is a more complex, guys. Write the very big programs. And also in interactive mode, suppose, see what I want to do. I want to take some a equal to 10, and I want some b equal to 20, right? I want something, some c equal to a plus b, right? A plus b. After 3 over, then I want display print of a. Then just I'm giving basic example, guys. One basic example I'm giving, print of a, then write print of b, then write print of c. This is what, guys, I want to do. So first I want to take only, I want to assign a value only, then I want to assign the b value, and then I want to assign the which one, c value, because I want to assign the right c value, and so actually this is what I want to do, guys. This is what, right, I want to do it. At the same time, now I want not this all, guys, not this all. See, right, simply write a plus b. I want to do a plus b, right? A plus b. Then I want to write a minus b, a minus b. I want to do a into b, guys, a into b, a into b. These three operations I want to do, guys. These three I want to do. After all over, then I want output. What's output here? 30, right? A plus b 30, and a minus b, right? I think minus 10, and guys 200. This is what I want output, guys. All are clear, right? So what I'm saying here, I take two variables, and I make a plus b, right? A minus b, a into b. After three operations over, then only I want output 30 minus 10 200. I want output at a time. Guys. This is what I want to do, right? Now see, in Python shell, in ideally how to do it, simply a equal to 10, right? A equal to 10, then b equal to 20, right? Now what I want to do, I want to make three operations immediately. I want to make three operations. After three operations I want output. After three operations I want output. I'm taking a plus b. Next, what I want now, I don't want output. I want a minus b. Next one, I want, right, I want a minus b. I want, right, I want a minus b. I want a minus b. Just I'm going here, see, it is giving output, guys. Again a minus b, output is giving, and a into b, output is giving. Means in interactive mode, no, this is called interactive mode. In interactive mode, so it gives the result of expression at a time. It gives a result of expression at a time. Instance output comes. It won't wait for multiple expressions. It gives output of which one, an expression instantly. It gives. Actually, what I want to do, I want to make a plus b, a minus b into b at a time. Then I want output like this. But what is happening here? When I give the a plus b, it's giving output there only. Output coming, a minus b output coming, a into b output coming, guys. But that's what I don't want. What I want here, I want write all, then I want to get the final output like this. Like this. This is not possible in the interactive mode. Interactive mode means it gives instant results. Instant, guys. It gives instant results. Guys. Instant results. Okay, right. So, but this is possible in the which one, script mode, guys. Script mode. Interact mode, observe, guys. Interact mode. See, interpreter, right? Interpreter will give instance, guys. Instant results. Results, right? Results in interactive mode. In interactive mode, guys. In interactive mode. In interact mode. That's all. Interact mode. That's why this interact mode is used for mainly for checking purpose, guys. Checking purpose, like what is the value of a plus b. That's all. And what is the value of a minus b? What is the value of a into b? For checking purpose only we use interact mode. To testing purpose, for checking the expressions, to test the expressions, we use interact mode, not for the main programming. So same thing happening, right? So two variables are there. I'm taking a plus b, it's give output immediately. A minus b, output coming immediately. A into b, output coming immediately. That's why we say that the interact mode is used for testing purpose. I want test what's a plus b. That's why output coming immediately. I want tester checking guys a minus b, so output coming immediately. A into b coming immediately. A by b, right? A by b, right? A modulus b, something guys. A modulus b, a modulus b. I want to check it whether a, b and both are same or not. A double equal to b. See, no, both are not same. I want to check whether a is more or less than 20, a greater than b. I want checking right like this guy. Checking purpose we use. I want to check it like a not equal to b. I want to check whether both are not are same. Like a not equal to b. Like this guys. For checking purpose we use this interact mode. Mainly which one now? Observe guys. Okay, observe here. Interact mode programming. Interact mode is used for testing purpose. Is used to test guys. Testing is to testing purpose. Is to testing purpose guys. Testing purpose. That's all. Testing the like Python operators. These are operators, right? These are all operators only. Plus operator, like minus operator, right? Multiplication operator, equal operator, greater than, less than, all guys. Mainly testing the which one? We can say that testing the Python operators, guys. Like Python expressions. Simply, we can say Python expressions like this. So interact mode is used for which one? Testing Python expressions purpose. Testing Python expressions, guys. Right? But how to write the main programming? Main programming means the program contains maybe 3 lines, maybe 5 lines, maybe 10 lines, 20 lines, 50 lines. Lot of lines are possible. Program means. In that case, right, we go for the second way. What second way? The second way is batch mode, right? The second way is batch, right? Batch mode, batch or script, guys. We can say anyone, right? Batch mode or a script mode, guys. Batch or a script mode programming. That's all, guys. This is what we use to write big programs, guys. Large programs also possible by this one. So how to write the script mode, guys? How to write the script mode? Okay. So all of you, I think you're clear, right? This ideally which is the default in the Python. This default in Python, it's mainly for which purpose? It is mainly for testing purpose only. Testing this type of small expressions possible, not for the main programming purpose. Right? Then for main programming purpose, then what do we do? Right? So main program is it may have n number of lines, and I want the output of entire program at a time. All of right. Main program means what I want now. I want output of the main program at a time. That's called a programming part. That's called a program, guys. A program. So for that purpose, we have different ways, guys. There are different ways to write the script mode. Different ways are there. So one is here only. We go to file. Open the new file, guys. Open the new file. Yes, a file opened now. Guys. A file opened, right? So in that file, in this file, I can write the programming. I can write the script mode or batch mode, guys. Script means collection of lines, collection of statements. Okay, the same whatever I want to do, the same thing, guys. The same thing I'll do there. The same thing, right? The same purpose I'll do there. Observe now what I'm planning here. So a equal to 10, right? Same b equal to 20, right? Then I can take here print of, right? Print of a plus b, right? Then print of a minus b. Same I'm taking same as it is. Then print of which one? A by a into b, something like this, guys. Enough. Then So now what happened here? File is open, right? File opened and wrote the program. Writing program also over. Writing the program also over. Next, what we do? We have to save the file. We have to save the file first of all. See, till now, what is there here? Untitled is there. Means title is not given. Means the file is not saved. Okay. Then go to file. Click on the which one? Save, guys. Here, right? You can see save is there. Save, and I can save the file. We can save the file. Python, right? Python at 6 a.m. I think yesterday the same thing happened, right? I'll take as okay. Pi, right? Pi 6 a.m. I take pi 6 a.m. Right? Dot py, guys. Pi 6 a.m. Dot py. See, what is the default extension here? Default file type, which one? Python file only. And by default, our Python files are saving where in Python location only. See, in Python location only, our files are saving, guys. Our files are saving in Python location only. If you want in another location, like you want to save in the desktop or a D drive or E drive, then now you can change the path here. You can change the path and wherever you want to save, you can save there. Okay, now I'm saving here. Right. Now all of you observe, this is my file name. My file name displaying the location also, guys. Displaying the location plus the file name guys. Okay, location of the file displaying plus displaying the file name also, right? Now guys, what is over here? What is over here? Open file over, right? What is over now? First one, open file over. Second one, write program, right? Write program over. Write program over. Third, what we have done, save file over. Saving also over, right? Then fourth one, run program or run file, guys. Run file, that's all. Open, write, save, run, that's all. Open the file, write the program, save the file, run the file. How to run the file? See, here you have the run is there. What is there, right? Run is there, guys. Okay, just go there, and click on this one. You can see run module. A shortcut here F5. A shortcut here F5. And regularly, guys, I use F5 only. I don't go like click run module. Right now we can run the which one F5. Now you can see, guys. Let's see output coming at a time. This is what actually I want, right? What I want here, I want the output at a time and same coming at a time. See, output coming at a time. All right. So like this, guys, like this, we create the batch mode, guys. Create the batch mode and script mode. This is one way. This is the one way. And this file also, which one? It's default where from the IDLE. From the IDLE, this file is opened. Okay. So what's the first way? The first way is which one? Right? The ideally default file. Okay, default file. One way. The second way is we can use, right, any editor also, guys. Any editor possible. Any editor is also possible. What are the editors? Editors like PyCharm. You can use. Download the PyCharm. Install the PyCharm. PyCharm we can use for Python programs purpose. Right. Next one, we can use Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code possible. VSC, right? Next, we can use Atom. We can use Atom, right? Atom we can use Atom. And next one, we can use right? A lot of things are there, guys. We can use Eclipse, Erix, right? PyScript is there. PyScript is there. Edit Plus is there, right? And that notebook is the right. Notebook is Jupyter Notebook is there. Jupyter Notebook, right? We can use all, guys. We can use all for writing Python programs. All of it, right? We can use Jupyter Notebook. We can use PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Atom, Eric, Eclipse, right? PyScripter, right? Edit Plus, Anaconda. So many are there, guys. So many are there. This is all what we do. We download from the Google and we have to install this all. This all we are download from the Google and install this all. But this is the default one, that file, right? Just go to IDLE, right? IDLE, open the file, and here we read the programs, guys. But compared to this default file, compare default file, right? They make very easy to read the programming, guys. Compared to default file, This all editors make a very comfortable to write the programming. They provide a very comfortable, guys, very comfortable to write the programming. Okay, so what we use in our examples in our batch means first few days, guys, we use ideal default file. See, this entire basic topics I'm doing ideally only. The main topics also one or two topics we see which one are default file. Then guys, we can see, right? We can see right. We can see, right, what this one is like. This is the which one? Visual Studio Code, guys. That is Visual Studio Code. Right. Next one. This is the right. This is the Atom is there. Right. Atom is there. And guys, it is the right PyCharm. So PyCharm is there. Okay, PyCharm is there. Like this, guys. We try it on which one notebook, Jupyter notebook also we try. You can use anyone, guys. We can use anyone. We can use anyone, guys. Okay. We'll try guys minimum 4 to 5. We'll try minimum 4 to 5, guys. We'll try to write the programs minimum 4 to 5 editors. Minimum 4 to 5 editors. Okay, right. So all of you, I hope you're clear about what is the interactive mode, what is the script mode. So interactive mode is mainly for testing purpose, guys. Mainly for testing purpose, testing the small expressions, like what is the output of a plus b, or whether a and b both are same or not, or whether a is more than b or not, or whether a not equal to b, yes or no. Like that, for testing purpose we use interactive mode. Which one? This is the interactive mode. This is the interactive mode. And here long ago one time they asked a student, what is the name of the symbol? What is the name of the symbol? What is the name of the symbol? Can anyone tell me now? Name of the symbol? Name of
Triple
the symbol?
Triple Chauram, sir.
Yes, Chauran, right? I think spelling something is a Chauran. Spelling is something, right? Chauran, right? Triple Chauran. Triple, I think the spelling, I think this correct, guys. Triple Chauran, something is there. This is called triple Chauran. Because one time what happened, a student saying that they are same thing, interact mode, script mode. He is saying two ways others are interact mode, script mode. Interact mode, it gives expressions only. And he said that every line it gives greater symbols are. A student said that not now, long ago. He said that in every line we have the greater symbols are. Then he asked, tell me again name of this one. Tell me again name of this one. He's saying always greater than are, greater than, triple greater than are, triple greater than. Okay, then that fun. He said that okay, take few minutes, tell me the time properly, then you are selected. That's all. They give the chance to him. Take few minutes, think clearly. If you say this name clearly, then this round you are clear. That's all. Right? He thought a lot of time, but at that time I also did not use that name, Chauran. So not, guys, in initial batches, not now. In initial batches, he said that sir, I don't know, sir. I think it's Chauran only. It's a Fulgerden, sir. He said that by laughing, no problem. It's called Chauran. It's called Chauran, guys. Okay. Sometimes fun things happen in interviews also, right? Fun. Fine, guys. I hope you are clear about right interact mode and script mode, guys. Interact mode and script mode. Okay. So, guys, for few days, these all basic things. We use interact mode only. Once the programming start over, when the programming started, the advanced topic started. At that time, guys, for few days again we use the default file. The remaining all topics we try on the PyCharm, on VSC, on Atom, on Jupyter Notebook. We try different things, guys. We try on different things. Okay, right. Now I have a doubt, sir. Always you are giving the a equal to 10, b equal to 20, right? A equal to b equal to 20. This value I don't want to give manually, sir. This value I don't want to give manually. This value I want to take from user, sir. How it's possible? If observe, guys, now just now I have done like a equal 10, some b equal to 20, and some c equal to I taken, right, a plus b, right, a plus b, and I tried print of, right, print of a. Now my point is so you are taking the 10 and 20, sir, but I don't want to take myself. I want to get from user. I want the user give the values. So based on his values, I give the output to him. Then how to take the user data in Python, right? In Python, how to read user data, how to read the user data, guys. How to read or how to take the user data, right? So as in Python language, we have one function called the input function, guys. The function name is the input function. What's function name? Input function, guys. By using input function, we read the user data. By using input function, we read user data, guys. User data. But the thing is, the input function takes the data in the string format by default. See, the user may give the integer values, the user may give the float values, the user may give the bool values, or string values, or complex values. But what does it do? It takes all data in the string format only, in the string format, guys, string format. But if you take all the string format, it is not possible to write all programs, right? Because so user is giving the 10 plus 20, he is giving integer numbers. We have to add them and give output 30. If you give, right, means we have to give the proper output to the user. If you take all the string values, then you can't make all operations. That's why there we have a concept called type conversions. Type conversions, because input taking the data in the string format, all string format, again we convert into normal types by using which one? Type conversions, guys. Type conversions. Okay. First of all, let us see how to take the user data. Taking the right user data. Now, guys, observe here. Now, observe now. I'm taking here simply right input. At input, I'm asking now enter any number. See, guys, enter any number. This number I'm taking on variable something, right? Variable I'm taking a equal, that's all. A equal to. Then I click enter. See, it's asking now enter any number. Enter any number, right? I'm giving suppose number, guys. Suppose I'm giving 100. If I give the 100, right, then this 100 value assigned to which one? Assigned to A. How? To which one? Through the input function, right? This 100 value assigned to A through which one? Through input function. Through input function only the value assigned to which one? A. All of, right? Even though I'm giving the number, guys, I'm giving the number, and this number is assigned to variable to which one? To input function only. Now observe, guys, here I'm taking now print of A. What is the value? Yes, correct, 100 value only. But type of A, type of A. Now all of you observe, string type is there. Even though the user giving the 100, but we are saying it's a string type. Is giving the integer type, but you are saying it's a string type. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now I'll take one more value, guys. Input of again enter, right? Enter any number. I'm taking into variable B, for example. He is giving 200. Now I'll check it now. Print of B. Okay, fine. 200 is there. Now type of B. Now what's type here? Type of B is okay, fine. String one is same as string. Now I'm taking A plus B into C, guys. Already A value given by user and B also given by user, right? User. Now I'm trying here print of C. Now, guys, the output is it 300 or 100 200 or error? Tell me, guys, now. Tell me now. The output is it 300? Means C value is 300 or 100 200 or error?
100, 200, sir.
Yeah, please, guys, please, my request is when I ask the question, just give the reply in the chat box, guys. Okay, it's my request, please. If one speaks, no problem. If all speaks, if 3 members, 4 speaks, 5 speaks, then it makes clumsy, right? It makes clumsy, please. Now my question is, what is C value? Is it 300 or 100 200 or 3 or error? Right, fine guys. Some are giving the answer 200, 100, 200. Some are giving the answer 300. Some are giving the answer error. Okay, fine guys, no issues. Okay, so no issues. So always guessing, right? You are guessing. So guys, always guessing means learning starts from guessing only, guys. The learning starts from guessing only. That's why I always give reply, guys. Give reply always. At the right answer, no issues. But start guessing the output first of all. Okay, fine. Now guys, observe now. I click enter. See what came now. What came here? 100, 200 came. 100, 200 came. Why, sir? Why it came, sir? Why it came? Yes, guys. I'll explain it clearly. Now tell me. Now observe here. Suppose, guys, here, observe now. Suppose, guys, I'll take here. I'm taking now one stinger, right? A stinger A plus stinger B. Stinger B. Tell me now, guys, what's output now? What's output here? I'm taking sting A plus sting B. In this case, what's output? Tell me now. In this case, what's output? Is it AB or 2AB or error? All of you, in this case, tell me now. In this case, tell me now. What is the output here? I'm giving A plus B. A plus B. What's output here? What's output here? AB is the output. Why? Because A and B are concatenating. Because they are strings, right? They are strings. Always, guys, strings will concatenate. Integers will add. The same case, if I take, suppose, if I take normally 10 plus 20, tell me now what's output? That we know, right? 10 plus 20, we know very well. What's output here? 30. Output 30, guys. Why? Because here 10 integer, 20 integer, so output 30. So integers will add and the strings will concatenate. Even though you are using plus operator, if you use the plus operator between integers, they will add. If you use plus operator between strings, they will concatenate. Fine. Now in our program, so right, A, what is type of A? Tell me now. In our program, type of A, which one? Type of A, string type. Means the 100 is the string, right? String value. 100 is the string value. Means the 100 like this, guys. 100 like this. The 100 like that. Even though I am giving normal number 100, but how is taking in the string? It is taking string means internally what is there? Quotes are there. Internally quotes are there. Even though not displaying, but internal what is there? Quotes must be there. Why? Because saying the string type is a string type. Okay. Plus then what second one? At 200. At 200 I have taken. Right, 200 is also string type, guys. Is also string type. Now what's the output, guys? Here, tell me now output. See here, string plus string concatenating A B. Here string plus string, which one? String plus string, same side by side at 100. That's all, guys. 100 and 200. Because see, even though you're giving the integers, guys, but it's taking which format now? It's taking the string format. It's taking the both are string format. So now both A is the string, B also string. Both are string. String plus string concatenation. So user is giving 100 and 200. You are giving 100 200, guys. Is it right answer? Is it right answer? No, it's wrong answer, guys. As per the program, output came correctly. As per this logic, output came okay, fine. But as per the right, as per the user, he will kick us. He will school us, guys. Right? Then what do? I want to give him correct answer. Then the integer, so means the string A, string B, we should convert as a integer A, integer B. Then I do the addition operation. All of right. Same A and B only. What do? I convert into integer types. Actually, A is the string type, right? String type, and B also, right? B also string type. Now what do? Both I take it integer types, guys. Means see, int of A. See now conversion over. Plus I can take int of B. Int of B conversion over. Then I take something x equal to or c equal to. Then, guys, observe here. Print of x. You can see now 300. 300, right? 300 enough, guys. 300 enough, right? Means we have converted, guys, by using type conversions functions. We're converting to integer type. I want float type, then we use float function like this, right? So, sir, do we require these all steps to make a simple example? Do we require these all steps? No, guys. This conversion we can take while taking input data only. This conversion function we can take while at the time of taking data only. Means now observe, guys, here I'm taking our input of some, just enter first number, right? Enter first number. So I'll take something, guys, a equal to. Now what do I do here? I take the int function. Here I'll take the int function, guys. Enough. See now. So taking the data, the string format, then convert into integer format and assigning, that's all of right. I'm taking data from user and converting. Here on I'm converting directly. The previous case taking data and converting, two steps are there, but now single step taking data from user and convert into required type, integer type. Now let's observe here. Now I'll take see what's the value, suppose I'm giving 10 now. See, right, print of a, what's the value? 10 type of a, what's type here? See, integer type, guys. Now integer type. In the previous case string type, but now integer. Why? Because data taken here and immediately conversion also over. Enough. Now I take some b, which one again? Input of right, input of enter, right, enter second, right, second number, enter second number, right, enter second number, right, enter second number. Then I take some b equal to, guys, okay, we take some, right, b equal to, but I want convert here only, that's all. Now I'm giving suppose 20, guys. Then see now print of b, right, print of b, then type of b, what is type of b? Again integer. Now a plus b into c enough. Now see, right, print of c, how much here? 30 enough. All of clear, right? Okay, so like this, guys, we use the type conversion functions. Like this we use the type conversions, guys. So input taking the data from user, the data comes automatically string format. The string format taking it integer format, then assigned to variable. That's all, guys. Assigned to variable, enough. Assigned to variable. So all of clear about input function. Just here now the thing is what is input function, right? How it works, that's all. Not about this int function or float that we see in this topic, guys. The thing is what is input function and how it takes by default. So convert, what we use, like some functions are there, int function, float function, bool function, complex function. Some functions are there, guys. Four, five functions are there. That's all. So what's happening here? First of all, taking the user data, right, and convert into integer type, then assign to variable a. That's all. They're all same. Taking the user data in the integer type, string type, and convert into integer type. After converting, then assign to b. Now a plus b. That's all. A plus b. Enough, guys. A plus b. Output 30 is coming, right? Now both a and b are the integers, right? Both a and b are the integers. That's why they are adding. Guys. They are adding. All of you are clear, right? Okay. Yes. So fine, guys. So next we see how to convert the data. These things, guys. So just we have seen taking the input data. The next class tomorrow, what we see, how to convert into float type, how to convert into the like a bool type, into string type, into like a complex type. That we see tomorrow, guys. Right? So thank you so much, all of you guys. Tomorrow also same time, same link, guys. Thank you, all of you. Bye.